I just tried my first stroopwafel and it was so good that the birds were even fighting over the crumbs. So if you've never had a stroopwafel, let me explain what it is. It's a very thin shortbread waffle cookie that's filled with a special caramel sauce. So they press it on this machine and then they take it out really gently and fill it with the syrup. So the syrup has like spices and it's just really ooey gooey delicious. So I'm eating my first stroopwafel. It's nice and warm. Look at that, you see? Just gooey. So good. So good. You want some? Yummy for my tummy. Mm.